find that so funny? That was just hilarious. It's too damn good. That's what it is. What were you doing?
Your mom. Techno music. Does not go. Techno music.
Cory Williams, you do make me laugh.
Because almost 70% is below the and if the protecting for quality protection for your whole family.
Ah, my face! This is what we do on our Sunday nights when I'm bored and popped up on sugar. Oh god, game plan! This is my plan. I'm about to throw up if you keep on doing that. Oh, too much food. Too much pizza and ice cream. It's not gonna end well. I do feel a little sick.
You're watching Comedy Central, arguably the best use of your Sunday. Now, adult words.
This is how we do it. Boom.
See, no game of rage this time.
Damn.
You might see a game of quit in a minute.
So how did you hear about this game?
Cory.
Oh, you gamers.
And then Dan said something about... Well, yeah, and then I said it to Dan, and then it was free for the weekend instead of $6.99, so yeah. They usually have little hearts on them. They're your friends.
It means the athletes will have to use extra skill to work out which of the gunshots they held was the starting pistol. Glasgow across for the Commonwealth Games. It'd be good to finally see an international athletics event where the crowd fail a drugs test. I'm looking forward to our opening statement.
I zoomed into the screen.
Oh, okay.
You want to see more drugs in sport? I want to see a lot more drugs in sport, man. Do you want to see someone running 100 metres in 9.78 seconds? Or do you want to see them running it in 3 seconds? I don't want to see Dwayne Chambers running on steroids. I want to see him running with the legs of a kangaroo and the heart of a leopard. I want to see him run so fast that halfway through the race he disappears like the
So, Caitlin stuck her leg out the window and now she can't get down.
Oh my god, it's like Laura trying to get the swing.
Oh no! That took a shorter amount of time than it took me to get into the damn swing.
Normally it takes longer.
Normally? Does this happen quite a lot, Charlotte?
Regular basis.
Wow.
It does actually. In the summer anyway. It's nice to sit and stare out at the boring neighbours that we have.
One of the people I work with lives down this road.
Who?
Sharon?
Where?
I don't know. Her house has a name though.
Any house can have a name.
Well, I don't know. I don't know.
Oh my god.
Who died there?
Oh, he's creepy.
We're just watching X Factor.
I don't like him.
UK style.
What? I don't think so.
Okay. We're about to video chat.
With ourselves.
with ourselves.
Because we have no other friends. Who else is online actually? Who can we video chat? Many people, Purple.
Charlotte.
Yeah.
We'll video chat with you.
No one. Okay.
What's this? Oh. Too much pizza.
Yeah.
Good pizza
That
though.
sausage is on the off
Okay.
So, Yaks have done everything they can.
Video.
I think this is where it gets really decisions really.
Oh, that's really weird.
Ooh.
Now the judges are
Ow, 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 ow.
Feedback. Feedback. Feedback.
It sounds like we're at this really big cave or something.
This is so weird.
We have to pick a way forward. This competition is
I'm going to drag it to the end of the screen. Sit there. How do we drag it? Oh, there we go. Oh, I need to plug myself back in. I'm dying. Where is my pluggy plug? Sounds like you're playing Portal. Right. Sorry, take down my hair in video. Oh crap.
It sounds like you're coming from beyond the grave.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Anybody else there?
What? Oh. Oh. This is so surreal. Oh. It sounds horrible. It sounds mystical. It's like that Who, Doctor Who. Doctor! Doctor! Crazy witch woman! Oh my god!
Sound like it should be wicked or something.
Sounds like a fire alarm.
Okay, this is Doctor Who. Storm again.
Stormy. One of the cats. Yeah, to work. We need a purple cow. We should paint the cat purple. It's disgusting. Bogies. That's a terrible angle. Did you really expect this one? Very smooth. That's a better angle. Ow! I don't know if this is... I don't like this. Why? This is awesome! Maybe we are. Oh my god, look, hang on. Look sideways. Which way? Other way. Hello. Talk.
Hello. Alan.
Do it now. Ah. She's doing the right. I wasn't even filming it anyway.